Welcome back to the show. We are still here with the inglorious man of the moment, healer of the people, Kokovula Kundabaloi, and we are discussing Amaga, the love binding spell. Now, what exactly this Amaga, and how does it affect the individual and the relationship?
As I have said earlier on, that people look at the happenings, at the creation. We have got this lizard. It's a tree lizard called Amaga. They call it Qhimilili in Zulu. This tree lizard, you find it in red and a blue head. It climbs the trees. It will nod its head like it is agreeing to something and run and stop and nod the head. So these people took that system of the Amaga and brought it into formulating some muti around love binding spells to bind people in relationships. So if you are bonded or worked up on using Qhimilili and Amaga, it will mean you will agree in everything a partner says. You will comply with everything a partner wants you to, because that system of nodding the head of the lizard has been put to you or in you to agree with everything, even if you wouldn't want to.
Sesiphinde sabuya futhi babukele emakhaya. Ngizolokhu nginikhumbuza njalo ukuthi kahle kahle la sikhona sisekhokovula Gundabaloyi Holdings. La sizo interview khona ubaba uKhokovula Gundabaloyi. Baba uKhokovula Gundabaloyi. Ngabe kahle kahle Amaga masikhuluma ngaAmaga sikhuluma ngani? Yini kahle kahle Amaga? Yenzani? Inobungozi kuphi Amaga? Inobuhle kuphi Amaga?
Abantu abaningi abavumi ukuvuma. Abantu abaningi baphila nabantu kuma relationships othandweni bengavumi ukuvuma, befuna kuvume abanye bona bengavumanga. Lokho okwenza labo abafuna bavume bayofuna yona le Amaga le, bese bemenza umuntu avume ngemlingo, ngokwendlela zentando, ngemithi yezinyanga. Lento lena iyaheha, iyashintsha namakhala. Esifazana mangabe kufika isikhathi sokuthi itholane nesilisa, iyashintsha amakhala, ishintsha amakhala ibe enhle ibe njalo, kanti nesilisa iyakwenza khona lokho. Kusho ukuthi lapho ke kusuka sokusetshenziswa isimo sokushintsha kwaso amakhala njengendlela yokuheha nokuthatha, njengokuthi uthatha inhliziyo, luring and attraction. So iAmaga iyakwazi ukusetshenziswa ukuheha.
Now, does Amaga have an expiration date, or once it is injected into the person's system, it remains there until it is forcefully removed, or does it expire over a certain amount?
It is so much ugly that many good and useful things, they just expire, unexpectedly. But when it comes to bad things that terrorize and trouble people, most of them, they don't, until some certain formulas have been used to remove and rid them off. So if these Amagas, love binding spells are put on people, they remain permanent. That's the reason we have seen somebody who break up with somebody and get a new lover. At the very same time, you find him living or behaving as if he owes it to the previous relationship. He actually feels like he owes it with the previous person. We call that living with a person or being in love with a person who is under someone else's spells. Everything you do will be of the opposite. But now when we come deep and deeply into the use of these Amagas, the tree lizards, red, blue head, tree lizards, most of these Amagas are polygamous. Males may hold up to 6 and more females in their territory, breeding. And during courtship, the male move up and down bobs, bobbles, jogs, and nods his head to impress the female. Occasionally, females initiate courtship by offering their hindquarters to males.
Saibona,